beings.
第6章如何求助众生。
Chapter 1 Why are they congratulating me on receiving the bow? Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to extend my heartiest congratulations to you, for this is your most auspicious day. Today you have received the bow, which is the ultimate aim of existence. All of the Buddhas and saints attained the bow in the past, and, by transcending the limitations of birth and death, had become immortal. That which you have received today is the same bow. Formerly, one who intended to receive the bow had to abandon worldly possessions and enjoyments. If he was a king, he had to abandon his kingdom. If he was a high official, he had to resign his high position, leave his family and go to the remote mountains to seek a master who would transmit the Tao to him. After much suffering he would gradually perfect his conduct, purify his mind and heart, and perform many good deeds. For his sincerity, God would send Buddha to transmit the Tao to him. Under such conditions a person able to succeed was hard to find. During that period the Tao was secretly transmitted from one patriarch to another.
第1章为什么他们恭喜我求得天道？各位先生太太小姐，首先让我衷心地恭喜你们，因为今天是你们大喜的日子。今天你们得了道，道是至宝，道超出了一切。每一位古圣先贤佛祖皆于古代求得天道，故他们能超出生死之界限而永存。今天你们所得的道即同他们其实所得的道一样。在古时，人要得道